when you find yourself in danger, when you're threatened by a stranger, when it looks like you will take a licking. There is someone waiting who will hurry up and rescue you. Just call for Super Chicken. Fred, if you're afraid, you'll have to overlook it.
Alright, gonna do an expansion catch with 300 Blackout. That's what we're using today. And these are the Winchester Deer Season XP. Yes, this box is unloaded for your safety. And these are flying out the muzzle. I'm reading off the box. Yes, I can read. Yeah, here we go. These are flying out the muzzle at 1900 feet per second. And they're 1202. See, they're honest. A lot of places, you know, it would just call it 1200. Not really, I don't know. But 1202 pounds of energy out the muzzle. We're at 50 yards roughly-ish. Yeah, it slows down to 1811 and 1092 on the energy. Give y'all some literature. You can hit pause if it comes into focus. What they look like. Alright, let's light this turkey up. Alright, here we go. 300 Blackout, 150 grain. Blew the first one out. Went through two. Went through three. Well, we already got a short. Ooh, that's the piece. 1, 2, 3, 4 jugs. Breakage. Check this out. It's like a puzzle. I'm gonna put it back together. Because that's basically just a flat bullet on impact. So that lid and everything just got nothing but blow up. So I guess that's pretty good. I like that concept though. Now on the neck shots though, I have noticed, I've shot deer with them, and it don't, seems like it just stays together fairly well. So maybe, I mean, because you see how that's flat right there, maybe they should make it a two-way point. So it's basically like a going into where it's a point on both ends. That way it's pushing down and opening it up a little bit better. It's all right. Went through 4 jugs, stopped, blew the pieces, learned that is a little plastic piece, and that is a flat piece of bullet going through the air if it wasn't for that plastic piece. But there we go. Again, this is 7 to 10 minutes of recording altogether, and it will probably only be a minute and a half, 2 minutes, 3 tops, and none of it will make sense whatsoever. But there we go. Bohemian Hunting Club. Thanks for watching.